What's up? This week was pretty decent. You know, we got a winning trade. As you can see, we added to our number right there. So 3 out of 100. That's really what I'm looking for until we like upgrade the account. Is, you know, just like the next level is gonna be at 101 trades. But we ended up winning one trade. We haven't taken any other trades this week, and I believe we made just about 250 or almost 300. I closed out early only because the Feast of Trumpets was coming up, and you know, no work was going to be done that day, so I wasn't going to be able to close like market execution. And y'all know me, I don't like TPs. I done gone through too many situations with TPs being like right there and then they reverse, considering my TPs are normally placed at reversal areas because that's where you should get out. But we gonna see what we got for this week. I don't know what I got planned. I don't know if I'm gonna be taking any other trades. I do see something nice on GU, and y'all come with me and look at this. So, hold on, let me ignore the video and this too. But look, so on GU, we got this situation right here. You see? We're in a range bound. We're still in that range bound, and the exact area where I sold the other day on third, or what was that? What day was that? On Monday, the day I sold on Monday, it came back up and revisited these areas, and we took some sales. Now, I did not take any orders because I was under the impression that today is a bank holiday. I don't know what bank holiday, but god darn it, it's a bank holiday. So I was going to be looking for entries probably tomorrow or later on tonight, and see what we can do from here. But as you can see, we're reacting to those levels, and I think that's a little exciting. But at the same time, I'm thinking about just waiting, because I you know, my brain is a little fried from all the information that I've been, you know, perceiving, and you know, just a bunch of working out and stuff. And I don't know, man. I may or may not. Y'all will know. Is I'm gonna just save this clip and see if I wanna, you know, take a trade or not, or if I don't, then it'll just be a standalone. Yeah, not nothing too much eventful. Oh, we should probably, you know, I'll show you the profit. So for this month, you'll see about 175 in total, and we can just go for this whole year. It's about 300 P&L. So we're just above. Like, we're just now in profit. We're about 10% in profit. And I'll show you the trade that we took, because I don't want to show my account details. Let's see, history. All right, so we got it right here. Last 7 days, 233. We took the position on GU. You see, return rate was about 10. I took 6 trades and only got 2-1, which is fine. Profit loss ratio is about a 30-1, which is crazy. And we held our trades for about 4 days, 3 hours. And you can see right there, GU. And yeah, so we only lost $4 on positions, and that was just closing like balances before. And I don't even think I took that many trades. It's just that I edited orders. And we won in total just about $233. So pretty decent. And we got some opportunities lined up for the next month, because I believe Jerome Powell is deliberating on whether or not he's gonna cut rates. So we're gonna see what that's gonna do to the market. I don't know. I have no clue. Me and my dad have been talking about some markets and just, you know, everything that's going on in today's time and how that could affect the markets and just, you know, moving forward. So it would be pretty interesting to see, you know, how this does come about. And I got some stuff cooking up for real, some real sauce cooking up, and I can't wait to unveil that. I'm not going to speak on it right now because it's not done. It's not in the works. Well, it's in the works, but it's not finished, and you know, I want to protect the integrity of it. And yeah, so we'll see whether or not I take any trades besides the trade that we're following up on. And, you know, if I do, we'll be updating from there. Hey, so y'all finna be coming with me to Best Buy. We need to grab, what is it? I need to grab a new USB to hook up to my PlayStation because it's just, I mean, it does well with uploading some videos, but at the same time, it's just not doing too well. So I need to, you know, add something new. So we're gonna be adding a little. I'm try to. Oh, I be forgetting that I can flip the camera, bruh. Hold on. We're gonna add a little USB to put up in here. Boom, like that. And that's how we gonna be uploading some videos on my other channel. Well, we got some shipments coming in. I ordered like some shirts. Got my wife a dress. What else? We got some more shit. We got a bed, and I think that's about it. That was all for the Feast of Trumpets. We got another feast day coming up. We got the Day of Atonement coming up, literally like in a couple days. So we're gonna get some more stuff for then too. And we'll show that as well. Cause I'm just trying to get more into vlogging. Like I be doing a bunch of other videos on my main channels, but like vlogging is something new to me. So, you know, I gotta, get in my element. You feel me? How you feel me through the camera. Sometimes I might hit out, go to the town a little bit. You feel me? Go see some shit. I don't know. I'm a homebody, so for me, I just be in the crib, and I think that that's entertaining. You know, just sitting in the crib chilling. You know, watching a movie or something, playing some games. And we just finished like 2-3 games this week. Not gonna lie. And I did a crazy workout today, so I was tired as hell. Like super tired. I ain't really have no time to do nothing. Cause I was asleep. But at least we doing this. And we just gonna get out just to, smell some fresh air and possibly even, go grab some groceries and shit. But we about to go do that now. So we'll probably transition to either when I'm in the car or when I just got home. I don't know which one we gonna do, but we gonna figure out together. Oh wait, whoa, hold on. We gotta show the kicks that we gonna have on, cause we chilling. We chilling, but look. We gotta pull out the grails real quick. Little something light. Put these straight on the feet. These shoes are so comfortable, bro. On everything. You see, we got the white-red combo going on. I'm on you like Melly to take over everything Machiavelli. Came here for a USB. That's what we came here for. It's a USB. But I like these AirPod Max. They're smooth, but I don't like that price. That's insane. And I was thinking about getting an iPad, but I don't know. And there was also this insanely expensive PC for the specs that they're giving. I'm thinking I'm just gonna build one, but it was a little Asus ROG, which I like Asus. And I'm thinking about getting a new monitor. I just don't know which one. I don't know which one will look the best with charts on it. We don't know yet. We'll see. One of these days. What is this? If it didn't have an AMD graphics card in it, this would be a pretty good deal. I like the case. Decent enough monitor, throw charts on everything. But yeah, we're just here to grab a USB. I mean, y'all already know that. We talked about that earlier. Looking at the Mac. I don't think I like Macs.
Hello, world.
I wasn't too sure if I was gonna be taking any trades closing out the week, but we ended up taking 2. Now the first one we got stopped out off of this fake news right here. Well, I won't say it's fake news, but it was clearly market manipulation. Like, this man Trump decided to fire Lisa Cook, or tweet out that he could fire Lisa Cook today. And the markets have been just completely denying all data. Like, for instance, the US dollar is stronger than it's been in a while, with the information that, came out. Let me see. I can't remember. I don't think it was PCE. Hold on, let me check. But we're in on a sell position. Our other position got stopped out. So today we got core durable goods month over month. We're up on that. Durable goods orders month over month. We're up on that as well. And then we also had the consumer confidence up on that too. So everything's positive, right? Yet GU is struggling to break support levels. Now I'm only banking on a sell because we have struggled at the 3.5 area for literally the whole like half of the year. So from April until now, we've been struggling at the 3.5 area. So I'm confident that it's not going to hold the 3.5 area. But right now I have to watch to make sure, like, well, I don't have to watch. I can do other stuff. But I'm just trying to understand what investors are thinking. Like, what are people thinking in the markets because of what he's doing? I don't know. I'm not seasoned enough to know what happens when someone fires a Federal Reserve member and what that could mean. And, what they're speculating is that there's a potential that like inflation can get out of control. Like nobody can control it because the president is, like some strong arm type of situation, which regardless, I don't care. I just want to know what to do. And right now we're struggling at these support levels. And yeah, so I know we're still in the range. I'm selling it down to the range bottom to see if that's a possibility. And this is gonna be my last trade of the month. So like I said, we took two trades. My first trade stopped out last night, and we're re-entering on that same, not the same position, but the same bias of shorts because the 3.5 area is a huge area for shorting. Like it barely holds above. Like it'll get to 3.4, 3.54 or 3.53, and then it'll just tank. And like the highest it's been since then was, I think that was in August or early August. Yeah, early August we went to 3.58, and that was the highest that it went. But since then it's stuttered every time because I tried longing through 3.5, 3.6, and it didn't do it. So I'm gonna try to long it back down to 3.4 even, and we'll get out. Hopefully that happens before there's news that comes out on Thursday. Hopefully that happens before then, but right now that's what we're going to be doing, and I'll update you guys whenever we do finish that position. And oh yeah, I never showed you what I got from Best Buy. I'm sorry. It's just this little USB right here. I use this to plug into the PlayStation 5, and then I'll be transferring documents from there until I get my capture card. Y'all see when I get my capture card, because that's going to be the day. And then the day we get an actual camera, because I ain't gonna lie to you, this is a workout. Holding this phone like this is a workout. I can't wait to get the vlog camera. But we'll tap back in whenever this trade finishes. So for the updates on that last trade that we did take, we ended up hitting break even on it. So you can see here the market shot back up, and we'll grab the screen of the account and what it was like. All right, so we lost just about $96, and we took two trades. So the first trade was a stop out, and then the second trade hit break even, which we talked about the first trade hitting a stop out, but we closed the next trade at break even, right? We closed the trade about $4.20 in profit. Now, as you can see, the market came all the way back up to our position, which was down here, right? Don't get lost in the sauce, we were down here. Came up, nicked that, and that's why we ended up getting out. Now, we don't have any more positions for the end of the month. I'm not taking anything else. I told you I was going to do two trades, and we did just that. And we'll just, pivot and wait for September and see, just what it brings in September. But I do appreciate all of y'all for taking time out of y'all day and watching these vlogs. Hey, if you're new here, make sure you do sub up. If you need a place to be, if you need a community where like-minded individuals are, you love trading, you want to be around traders, you want to discuss trading, you want to discuss what's going on in the market or what's going around the financial world, make sure you do click the link in the description. We do have a trading Discord. Well, I said we, but I mean me, right? Because I'm really the only one who's active in there. But no shade thrown at y'all that are in there. Okay, just chill. But I will catch y'all in the next vlog, whenever that may be.